Alright, if you're looking for a fast water heater and petite, this is it right here, guys. Now, this one could be used for a couple of usage, all right? So you could use it for your RV, your home, or another recommendation, you're washing your dogs outdoors. This is perfect. Outdoor shower. Another thing you can use it for. And this is very simple. I'm going to show you guys how to actually set it up. Water comes in here. Water goes out here. So you could intercept your main valve if you only have one valve, which is cold, mostly in the bathrooms, which is the toilet. Mostly, a lot of people like to use this for a bidet. So the intercept it in warmer water, of course, you know. Instructions are included. A couple of screws too also. It tells you how to now tilt it, how to keep it straight, and the voltage. You don't have to worry about the voltage because it's already pre-plugged. Everything's pre-built. Power on button, it's right here in the front, and that's pretty much it. Now you gotta keep it elevated up. So if you see, this is hot, red is hot, and this is no color right here. This is where the actual water is gonna come in. All right, so we're gonna set this up right now so you guys can see it, and we're gonna set up a thermal camera so you can see it, how it works. All right. Oh yeah, look at how warm it is. Look at the warmness. Look at that. That's the warm. Look at that. Look at that. You see how warm it is? Alright, check out the instant heatness of this, alright? Look at this. Awesome device. Look at that, the heatness. You can see how hot it gets. It's about 80. And this is my hand, so you can see how warm it is. But that's how hot it gets with the system itself. So if you want to constantly run it, you can't. You can, but it's like it needs some time, like maybe a second or two to warm up. But look at this. You can see it working very well. So if you're going to look for a heater, a fast and simple, all you need is power and water, and you're all set.